Castle Pines Village Hardwood Flooring. Enter the world of exceptional hardwood flooring services provided by Castle Pines Village Hardwood Flooring. We take pride in delivering top-notch expertise and craftsmanship to transform your living and working spaces into something extraordinary. Whether you're looking for exotic or traditional hardwood floors, our team of highly skilled professionals is here to cater to your every desire. We specialize in the installation, repair, and refinishing of traditional and exotic hardwood flooring, restoring their natural beauty and ensuring they stand the test of time. And it's not just floors. We also offer expertise in hardwood stair installation, repair, and refinishing, creating a seamless flow throughout your entire home. But what truly sets us apart is our revolutionary technique of dustless sanding. No more mess or hassle, just incredible results. We understand that some areas may require extra care. That's why we offer premium laminate flooring and luxury vinyl plank flooring that cater to high moisture and high traffic areas, such as bathrooms, kitchens, mudrooms, and interior hot tub areas. Rest assured, even in the busiest spaces, our flooring options will surpass your expectations. We believe in providing personalized solutions to each of our clients. Our experienced team will guide you through every step of the way, ensuring your vision becomes a reality. At Castle Pines Village Hardwood Flooring, our mission is to make your space exceptional. Trust us to be your go-to destination for all your hardwood flooring needs. Choose Castle Pines Village Hardwood Flooring for exceptional hardwood flooring services. Contact us at the link below today and let us bring your vision to reality.